Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if you can't upload photos to the Remini app. So you might notice that sometimes when you're just trying to upload a photo to the Remini app, it just doesn't let you upload that photo, and here's a really easy way to fix that. So when you basically install this app over on your iPhone, it just asks you for permission for your camera roll basically in order to let you upload photos. But if you accidentally clicked on denied or you just clicked on denied for no reason, then all you need to do is scroll all the way down once you're in settings. This can be on your iPhone or Android. And you want to literally just scroll all the way down till you find Remini right here. And then you want to make sure to click on allow Remini access to, and you want to simply click on photos, and you want to make sure that it says full access. This means that if you have full access, all you need to do is just close off your Remini app, reopen it again, and then you will be able to upload photos to the Remini app. And it was just basically all that what you needed to do. So if this video helped you, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.